Yan.
We used to hide under the covers, serenade each other with careless melodies. Something buried deep inside us, the major and the minor were like piano keys. You played for me. You played for me. Oh, you played for me. I swear, even in my sleep, I hear it like the memory of everything we used to be. You played for me. We couldn't stop the world from turning. It was like a whirlwind, scattered us like leaves. But I'm stuck inside a feeling, a song that never leaves. We were like a symphony. You played for me. You played for me. Oh, you played for me. I swear, even in my sleep, I hear it like the memory of everything we used to be. You played for me. You played for me. I swear, even in my sleep, I hear it like the memory of everything we used to be. Played for me.
Yan. Ang paglilinis ng nyug. Kasi pag hindi mo rin naman nilinisan, hindi ka rin naman bibigyan ng magandang bunga. Yan. Ganyan po ang paglilinis. Sabi nga po nila, yun, nalinis na. Yan, ganyan lang po ang paglilinis. Pero yung po mga ganun nakatataas ay hindi na po yun. Kasi hindi naabot. Ito lang pong abot. Ha? Yun lang abot ng... Kasi ito po ay mga nauna po itong tananim yan. Ito po namumunga na. Oo, mamaya tatabasan na. Yan, linisin pa natin yung isang yun, oh. Nasaan later? Dahil pa. Yan po mga bababang yan. Yan yung mga... Okay, ito pang isang tulilinisan pa to. Kaya yun po, mga kaibigan. Shout out po sa mga kaibigan natin dyan na baka meron pong napapaibig bumili ng ganitong lugar. PM lang po at ating bibigyan kung saan makakakuha dito. So, sige po, at ako po ay magtatabas na, ay magsisiga na. Sisiga natin ng mga tuyo na yan. Okay, bye bye. Ganito na lang po ang ating video. Yun si Mrs. Naglilinis ng nyug. Ayan. Sige po. Bye-bye mga kaibigan. Ayan. Ang ating pinaghirapan sa matagal na panahon. Paglalayasan. Shout out po. Bye-bye.